You can follow these easy steps to add notches and annotation, which you can simply call labeling, to your pattern before printing. Notching serves as a reminder when you're doing the actual sewing. I will give you a detailed explanation so you can easily do them yourself. First, you want to copy whichever design you want to add notches and annotation to. Keep them separately after copying them, not so close to each other. The reason for copying is so you always go back to the original design if the copied one isn't going as you want. This particular design has two layers. Here you can see the copied layers, right? So whatever I do to the outer layer, I will do the same for the one inside. You can also refer to my previous video to see how I did design the hoodie. That's if you didn't follow up to this moment. Since we have it copied, we're going to divide all the parts that can be folded. The main reason you want to have some parts folded is so that you can save space when printing the pattern. This is going to save you a lot of money too. Once you're done cutting, you need to get rid of the parts you don't want to have on the printing paper. You also want to do the same to the rest of them. Once you're done dividing them, you can start adding notches where necessary. To add seam allowance, we're going to go over to this icon. Most of the time, name of the icon will pop up whenever you go to the icon, so you can easily see the name if you're not sure or used to using the software. Here you can input whatever size you want the allowance to be. For this particular project, I will use 1/2 inch for almost all sides of the pattern. The only place I will adjust to 1 inch is the opening side of the kangaroo pocket. I did add this 1/2 inch to make things more easier to understand when showing you how to sew the hoodie. To easily know which side is the front and back of our fabric, we will now need to add notches. The front mostly have 1 notch around the sleeve area, and the back will have 2 notches. These notches serves as a reminder when doing the actual sewing. So I will add notches to place I need them. There are 2 ways to add these notches. As you can see, by clicking on a starting line and right-clicking, you can input a value if you would like to join 2 layers at an exact point when sewing, or you can randomly choose where you want to add your notches by clicking anywhere inside the layer. So I'm going to randomly click to add notches to the back. Remember to add 2 notches to the back and complete the rest. To add annotation or label the patterns, you need to click on this icon and click anywhere inside the pattern you've created to start the annotation. You can always adjust the front of your writing by going to the property bar. Remember to add a scale and design it in a way you or anyone who's going to sew the fabric will understand. After adding notches and annotations to all printable parts of the pattern, yours should look close or more like what we have here. If this video made things easier for you, stick with me. I will show you how to scale and print out your patterns and sew them the right way.